And we're back for Let's Build a Robot Part 3. Ongoing saga of the day. So, looking to finish up, or at least finish up most of this grabber today. So, I want to, originally I was just going to have like gears on top and like gears in the lever. I guess it'd be a lever. Like gears in the link for the grabber arm. Just going to leave those on top with like a bolt going through. But over this break I've realized that I would like to create a support that goes on top of the gear as well. So the gear is supported on the top and the bottom with an axle going straight through. And so I'll do that for all three of these ones. And then this one here will have to be kind of left alone, but it will be supported by the pivot or the propeller from the servo. So I'll just give it a little more rigidity. Don't think I'll be picking up many things that are super duper heavy, but I would just like to, again, future-proof it, make sure it is built up enough that I'm happy with it. And I put this hole here that goes straight through the, I guess, the mount here. And that is on the inside. I guess I'll show, that'll be easier showing this one. So on the inside here, there is a bolt that attaches the propeller to the servo. And so I want to make sure there's a straight shot straight through so I can get a screwdriver in there to tighten that bolt. I had forgotten about that on this final link. And so I just went around and did that. I just have a nice hole. And I'm going to stick the screwdriver in and actually attach the propeller properly, because otherwise it's just, I can't get access to it and screw everything else up together. So need that hole in there, and that's just a simple hole that went straight through. So I'm gonna see about getting started on the links now. Let's see, do I want to lay them out or just send it? I think I might just send it and then we can adjust the links afterwards. So let's start a new part. Let's open up the toolbox, add in toolbox. We want metric, power transmission, gears, spur gear. We want to create that part. Why do you hide from me? Module 2, number 14, pressure angle 14. Should be good. Face width. I think we want that to be 5, yeah. So now it's 5 millimeters thick. We got our 14 teeth. Double check this is the right size. Raise to 16. Perfect. Diameter 32. Nominal shaft diameter. We can deal with that later. Let's just load this part in. Hopefully Solidworks isn't going to crash on me. Like I remember last time it took a little bit to load, so looks like this might be the same. Come on. I believe in you. Oh. Loading, 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 come on. Nope. Perfect. No. I don't want this screen. Alright, while it's loading, let's turn on the webcam and browse through my stuff. Sorry that you aren't seeing. Oh, yeah, you aren't seeing anything right now. I apologize for that. I just don't want everything to be seen. I thought I might have some music to be played, but I guess I don't. I'll see if I can. I have the Undertale soundtrack, and I was going to play that in the background just to spice things up. But I guess I'll have to wait for next time. While we wait for Solidworks to load. Save failed. Just make the gear. Okay. Gear is made. Says it failed, but looks like it worked. And back to webcam. 1 second while I save this. It'll be gear link 1. Boop. Back. Okay. So now that we have this gear here, let's see. Do we just leave it as a full gear, or do we cut off some of the teeth? So let's leave it a full gear is fine. That should be no big problem. Oh boy. Can sketch on this, right? I don't know why this looks so weird. I guess for the link, we'll just use the basic straight slot. Slot out to there. You are going to be, oh boy, that's a big radius. You are 3.75 because we're looking for 7.5 mils across, and we will make you, how long do we want to make you? Let's see. In the drawing I made, these links were 33 millimeters. Do I think that's too short? I think so. Let's go 40. Nice even number. And we'll put a hole in the back of this one. And let's see. For that connection, there's going to be a bolt going through, I guess, like everywhere else. And so we'll need that hole. Let's go 5.5. 5.5 wide. Is that too wide? Can always use a much smaller hole if we want. I want to say that is. Let's use the same hole size as here. Let's see, we'll be looking, using a bolt that is, what is it? 2 mil across. We'll put it in a plastic sheath again. I want that sheath to be wide enough. So this will say it is 3 millimeter hole going through there. And we'll keep that 5 millimeter circle for now. And extrude emboss base. We'll want to do that up to top gear surface. And we have our first gear link. Save this PC. Let's now want the assembly. Load into the assembly and see how it looks. Take this, put it flush to there, rotate. Take you and you. So that's the end of it. We're going to want to go much longer than that. Right. Go back to the sketch. So I think we'll want go 55. How does it look on the assembly? So we're going to want the edge of this link to go past the circle so we don't run into anything. Sorry for the loud car. And that looks like it will be an S length. Nice. 55 millimeters will fit well. So with that, anything else I need to adjust on this? There might be, but I think we'll put these in position and then just worry about multiplying them again. So I want to see how everything fits together, and then I'll worry about making sure everything is working perfectly, or everything's gonna actually connect. Put you there, concentric, that face locked on there, and swing that out. And I guess might as well, let's see. Well, I'm gonna have to offset one of them, aren't I? This one parallel. So it stands there perfectly equal. Yeah, so they're both gonna be locked together. So let's see, we have 360 divided by 14 teeth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yep. 14 teeth. Yeah, so each tooth is 25.14 apart. We'll save to this PC. Save as new. Open a copy. Gear link to. Save. Keep open. And for you, you are going to. It's like using center lines as construction lines. Maybe not the greatest habit to get into, but it's just so much easier than having to press an extra button. You just press the one thing. 25.714. Which I guess I could have just lined it up. Will it line up the next tooth? No, we want to be halfway in between, don't we? So delete you. This line. Come at the center of here. That's. Come on. Let me click that center dot. Why did it be so difficult? Come on, Solidworks. There you go. Click you, and we will coincide it. Okay. Exit sketch. That looks hideous, but but it works, hopefully. Go back to assembly. We will delete you. Yep. And we will insert gear link 2. Remade it. Where'd it go? Oh, it's way up there. Thanks, car. Connect down there. Sweep you out. You parallel with you. Then arrows matching. Looks good. Looks pretty tight, but good. And we will go to mechanical and a gear, and we will match. How do we match these again? I think it's like that circle to that circle, I think. And go back to mates. I say go back to mates. Get out of here. Go down. Delete you. Do you work as gears? Nice. Okay. So we'll have those working now. Control either side from one of them. And now to make the front pivot pieces. Part 1, sketch. Slot, top plane. Boop, 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 boop. 55 long. And I think we said 3 mil middle. I'll have to double check. That is. Seems very small, 3 mil. Well, because this is very big. You are not very big. Radii. 3.75. There we go. That's better. Extruded. 5 mil. Boop. Save to this PC will be, I guess it's fine. Front link. I hate naming things, but we're getting there. Front link. And take you. Coincident. Concentric. You click on top. Coincident. That's control A, yeah. Take you. Control. Copy another one. Take you. Mate you. Over and over and over again. Top of there. Bottom of there. Cool, cool. Let's extend those out. Now, do I want to make these dip down so that we don't have this big 10 mil block on the bottom? I guess we make the top and the bottom grabber extend 5 millimeters, 15 mil total. Yeah, will be 5 mil off the ground, but if I ever need something, I can always aim at it directly from on top. So with that, I think those should be fine. It's gonna be fun printing this. The biggest thing I've ever printed. So many components. All right. That, and there. Guess we'll head on to making the actual end of the grabber. Sketch top plane. I'm gonna need to match this sketch. Boss extrude 5. Let's see. So just need their 8 mil difference and they're 45 mil apart. 845, 845, 845. I swear it's just all sorts of loud vehicles right now. Boom, boom, boom. Measure. 8 mil. 45 mil. 8 mil, 45 mil. Each of these circles, they were 3 mil across. 3 mil across. And no, how do these fit? So that'll be the front side. So this will need to be flat. Just gonna put a basic shape just to see if this is going to work at all. You make you 5 mil thick. Bam. Save this PC. Grabber top. Back to assembly. Okay. Go back to you. Sketch. Close you. Back to assembly. Yes. Dupe. Dupe. Insert components. Grabber top. Which one is this? That's gonna line up. Should line up with this one. I think. Boom. I'll do another one. Made it. You and you. Switch alignment. Spin you around. You connect to you. That's not what I want. Switch you. Okay. That's not at all what I want. Okay. Can you move? Oh boy. Oh boy. All right. Fix you. Yeah, that's fine. So you are connected to you. Tell me these don't line up. All right, Solidworks. Just connect that circle to that circle. Thank you. All right. Is our 4-bar linkage good? It is not good. Right? Don't do this to me, Solidworks. Fix. Oh boy. Fully defined. Which says to me our 4-bar linkage is not a good 4-bar linkage. Can I partition you? Okay. We're gonna sketch on this face. You there. 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 You're parallel. You're parallel. You're 55. You're 55. You're 45.7. You're 45.7. That should be a perfect 4-bar linkage. But for some reason it has seized solid. Should be fine though. What is holding you in place? What is the problem? Oh. Tempted to just make a quick assembly of these parts. Actually, yeah. Copy you. Okay. get out of the sketch. Actually, before we do that, do we need to? No. Delete sketch. Sketch. Exit sketch. You are fine. We will float you. You are fine. We will just delete you. And delete you. What's still over? That's flushed to there. That's flushed to there. That's flushed to there. That's flushed to there. It's a gear mate. I just need to delete. I think a concentric would be. No, concentric. It's going to just rotate. Coincident? You happy now? No, you're not happy now. What do you mean SolidWorks it was over-defined? Now it's under-defined. Stupid program. Okay. You mate with you. Just be happy. Just link together. We will fix you so you don't blow everything up. Hi y'all. Alright. Good to go. Clear that back up. Just need you. Yeah. Okay. We're going to build these not on top of the robot to see if they still don't work. So you'll make you fixed. And we'll mate this circle to that circle. That's the wrong circle. This circle to that circle. And we'll mate you to you. And you to you. Spin these around. Then that should link with there. That should link with there. Alright. That works as a 4-bar. Did I perhaps use the wrong, or flip it the wrong way? Let's see, that should be the front face on them. Which means that one will connect with there, but the other way. That one will connect with there. Okay. It is not happy. That right there seems like something is not lining up properly. So let's try this again. You, delete. Don't care. You, move up to there. We're gonna temporarily mate you guys so you're parallel. And then we are going to delete that mate. Because we don't actually want you to parallel. And then we're gonna insert this bad boy. In theory, it shouldn't matter because we just need this distance to be the same. So as long as that connects to there, should be fine. Let's rotate Rotate these so they're close. Okay, connected. All right. So it does work, but does it not work if there's two sides? Or does it not work if it's faced a certain way? We need you eccentric. That you can connect. You and you connect together. All right. So it does work. I don't know why I was so unhappy last time. But that will be fine. And then we'll make an extension on the front. Pretty it up a little bit. None of those should touch, which is nice. It's all nicely positioned. I should be good. Right. So from here. Guess we just make one properly. Darn motorcycles. How I want one, but how you are so noisy. Okay. You can go. You can go. Okay. I didn't delete everything. That's a good sign. Doop. Doop. Right camera. Oh, we are on the right camera. That would have been awkward if I was on face cam the whole time. That connects there. That connects there. We shall delete you guys. Because we're going to completely remake you. Clear up some of these for now. Over top. All right. Sketch of this. Delete, delete, delete. Let's see, in the drawing. Yeah, might as well do the shape of the drawing. That, there's wider one. Guess I'm looking at this one backwards. Okay. So that should be the same shape of the drawing I made. Initial circle. How big do we want it? The bar will be 7.5 wide. I'll also do the same. 7.5. I'll do this one at 7.5. Let's go here. Here, rounded and flush. Let's miss that one. Okay. Boop. And how close to the middle do we want it? This one is basically flush. So I'll do that will be front face of the grabber. I want you up. You and you Make you distant 2 mil, maybe. 2 mil. Whole grabber face. 20 mil. Do the circle. We'll be at same as everywhere else. 3 mil. Circle, let's make these vertical. Make the distance from you to you. I want to say 5 mil. Real life would be about yay big. Impossible to see, but I'll go a bit bigger. Go 10 mil. Then go from here straight out to around there, to there, to there. You are going to be tangent. You are going to be tangent. You are going to be out here a bit. You are going to be down here a bit. I'd like to increase this tangent line. That will look fine. And then on the back side, nice and straight till there. Actually, let's go nice and straight up to there, and then we'll just do one big fillet corner. There. I think I like that. Swoops to there, that goes to there. Good. Trim the front face of there. You aren't happy now, but don't care. How thick do you want to make this? I think we only want to make it a couple mil thick. Let's go 3 mil. Nice and skinny. Okay. Let's insert it and make sure it works. Going to be lined up with you. That circle lined up with that one. Should be good. Copy this one. Mate. You attached to you, concentric. Why do you do this? No, that's not. It's not what I want at all. Okay. Fix. Rotate. Rotate, you stupid thing. Go here. No. Edit mates, view mates, concentric, delete you. I'll do this one properly. You connected there. Now you centric to there. All right. You. Are you still fixed? Float. Do you work? Nice. Put these together. Front faces stay nice and parallel. Perfect. I can rotate to probably rotate to about there maximum. Should be plenty. Cameras right there. Shouldn't see anything. Come in and we can pinch. Carry. Whatever we wish to carry. Oh. I feel like I'm dipping early, but I think I might actually end it there instead of finishing this all the way off. See what working on this again tonight. I feel like my brain's a little bit fried, and I wouldn't mind heading outside to get some fresh air for a little bit. Go on a bit of a walk and relax the eyes from just staring at screens all day. So guys, thank you for watching this quick little cluster F of trying to get this 4-bar linkage to go. And I'll might get a video of this on Monday if I can finish it off. Otherwise, I'll be finishing up on Tuesday, and I might just have a short stream on Tuesday then, so I can create the video for this. But we shall see. 'Cause I'm going to be out of town for the weekend, so I won't be able to work on this too much. Anyway,